Wrongful death cases are a creature of statute. That means that the state legislature has enacted laws that provide for a claim when someone has been killed due to the negligent act of another. It is restricted in terms of the types of damages that can be recovered. In Michigan, you're entitled to recover for conscious pain and suffering from the time of injury to the time of death, for lost earning capacity, for the earnings that the decedent would have provided to their family and cannot, for loss of household services that the decedent would have performed but cannot and will not under the circumstance, of course. So there are procedures that have to be followed. If the case is one that can be resolved before suit is filed, you're required to go before a probate judge and seek approval, not only of the settlement itself, but the allocation or distribution of the settlement proceeds to the heirs at law, the family members that are entitled to share in that recovery because they have suffered a loss of society and companionship, which is a large component oftentimes in a wrongful death case. If litigation must be filed in order to make a full and fair recovery on behalf of the decedent's family, then the case has to be approved by a circuit court judge. That would be our first level of trial courts in the state of Michigan. Typically, we have to bring into these cases expert witnesses such as an economist who can calculate based on the prior earnings of the decedent what the family has lost in terms of earnings over the expected life of that person had they not been killed in some type of traumatic event.